Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today's topic is triangle. So I will try to explain it in very simple terms, right? So a triangle is a polygon with three sides, right? So there are six types of triangle, right? So three types are based on angles, and then other three types are based on sides, right? So I will discuss about all the six types of triangles today, right? So one is a right angle triangle, right? It is called a right angle triangle. So a triangle that has one of its angle a right angle is called a right angle triangle. Now the second type of triangle is acute angle triangle. ACUTE, acute angle triangle. Right? So it's a triangle that has one or more angles lesser than right angle, 90 degrees. So this angle or any of these angles is less than 90 degrees, right? This is called an acute angle triangle. Now the third type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle is a kind of a triangle where one of its angle is more than 90 degrees. So if one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, it is called a obtuse angle triangle. So this angle looks greater than 90 degrees, right? So this is right angle triangle. If you have angle shorter than or lesser than 90 degrees, it is an acute angle triangle. And if there is one or more or maybe one angle of a triangle is more greater than 90 degrees, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. All right. Now let's talk about the angles which are based on sides, right? So a triangle that has all its sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. So that means this triangle will have all its sides equal. So side A, if it is A, B, C, so side A is equal to B, B is equal to C. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all the three sides equal. And then it will have all its three sides equal, angles equal also, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle, right? So in an equilateral triangle, all these angles, all sides are equal, and all angles are equal, right? And in this triangle, one more feature is all angles are 60 degrees. So all angles are equal to 60 degrees. So this is an equilateral triangle. Then the next type of triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So it's a type of triangle that has two of its sides equal. So two of the sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. Now let's talk about the last type of triangle, is called scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, all the three sides are of different length. This is called a scalene triangle. So if you have you have three types of triangle that are based on sides. If all the sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. If two of the sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. If you have all the three sides different and all the angles different, it is called a scaling triangle. So three of the triangles are based on sides and three of the triangles are based on angles. That's how you define those triangles. So we'll discuss about all these triangles and other features about this triangle in the next lecture. But for today's class, this is the definition of triangle and 6 types. Thank you.